what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, I have a link down below. If you do click on that link, it's $25 towards your first fix, and you get jewelry, purses, clothing, scarves. It's awesome. So in the box, you'll get an envelope that'll contain your style card, your price sheet, and then I have something else here. I think I got a purse, so that goes with it. Here's the style sheet, and we'll do prices at the end. And when I try everything on, you'll see a style card over here. So here is my style card, and it is Brianna. And I have my price sheet out here. So we'll go over that afterwards. Okay, so the first item I have here is a purse. Put this box on the ground. It's really heavy duty, super cute. It's kind of like a beach purse, beach bag. It has a cute little tassel on it. And inside it has a little card that says each Mercado global bag touches multiple hands before reaching yours. So that's awesome. Inside you can see it has a pouch here for like a cell phone, and then a couple pouches here. This would be a nice beach bag or a bag for work. So that's like handcrafted, super pretty. See how much that is. Like it. Okay, now off to the clothing items. Okay, so the first item I have here are some Liverpool shorts. These are nice. I don't really have anything Liverpool. I think I have one pair of jeans upstairs. And these are like a khaki color gray. Super soft. They're nice. So that's the first item. Next, we have, oh, actually, let me read you what it is. Liverpool Johnny short in light gray. So that's what they are. Next I have is this top. It's black. It has some buttons and some detail. Just a regular black top that's spinning around. You can kind of see through it. Here you go. Let's see what this is. This is the Daniel Rain Swindon split neck detail blouse in black. So that's cute. That goes with the shorts. Next is a sweater. It's pink, super pretty. Just a regular sweater. I don't know if it's dolman, it just looks a little bit bigger. It's kind of cute. There you go. So this is Vero Moda Wazy Viscose 3/4 length sleeve pullover in blush. Like I said, the descriptions will be over here. If you like anything, you can want to request them, but these descriptions are crazy. So here it is. It's super cute. Just a pink sweater. And then next we have is this tank. Pretty. I like the design. It's a little busy though for me. Let's look on the back. Has a button at the top. Super cute. This is the Verse Alteco halter top in red. Okay, that's all my items. I'm gonna try everything on and then come back with my final thoughts. So the first item I have is this bag. It's really cute, very nice. Cute beach bag, cute work bag, anything bag. Really cute. Really like it a lot. And it's very well made. Like the cute tassel. It's pretty. Okay, so next we have the shorts, Liverpool shorts. They fit nicely. They're super comfortable, but they're just a little bit too long here for me. They fit nice though. What do you guys think? Okay, next we have is this top. It's nice. I don't really care for this design right here. you can see it. But it fits really nice otherwise. Pretty. Okay, next top is this sweater. It's super cute. I did a little tuck. It fits nice. It's just a little bit baggy for me. It's kind of see-through, but it's pretty. I mean, it's something I can wear to work. Let me know your guys' opinion. Okay, and the last item in the box is this top. It's pretty, it's really busy for me. It's kind of not my style at all. See on the back, it's busy. The front, it's busy. I'm not sure what I'm going to be keeping in this box. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. What I should keep. We'll go over prices next. Okay, so I'm back. Let's go over the prices. So this top, which is the Verse top, this top here, it is $38, and I will be sending this back. I just don't like it. Next are the Liverpool shorts. Don't like these at all. They're $68. I'll be sending these back as well. This pink top by Vero Moda, $35. So if I keep anything so I don't lose my styling fee and I have a little bit of credit, this would probably be the only thing that I would keep. The next top is this black top by Danielle Rain, and it's $64. It's a definite no, way too expensive. And this bag, I love this bag, but it's $88. So I'm gonna pass on this. It's super expensive for me, but it's super cute. The total for my box was $219 minus my $20 styling fee. I'm sorry, my total for my box was $293. Buy all 5 discounts, $73.25, $219.75. $20 styling fee came off, and I have a $12 credit, so $187.75. Unfortunately, it really wasn't my style, the items that were in there, except this pink top, so this is the only item that I will be keeping, so I don't lose $22. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.